Hi guys. Let's start with Ysense, x Clixsense. Ysense, one of the most reliable P2C sites on the internet. If you work hard on Ysense, you can earn $200 or more. Advantages: daily surveys, various tasks and offers, an affiliate program, daily earnings up to $10, payment pioneer, Nadler or Scroll. Join Ysense now. First, register with Ysense. You will receive a validation link. Once connected, you add address, phone, avatar and payment method plus. You get a bonus and you will automatically be registered at ysenseresearch.com. There are 3 methods to receive your payment, namely Pioneer, Scroll, Nadler. After, click on Update to go to the main page where you can start making money. Ysense offers many ways to make money. 1. Paid surveys, the main income option. Every day, new paid surveys that you must complete to earn a good income. There are 2 types of paid surveys in Ysense, Survey Invite and Daily Survey Routers. Invitation to the survey. In order to have a maximum of surveys, you must complete your survey profile when you click Paid Surveys on your dashboard. Your information must be accurate about your age, education, job, family, hobbies, preferences, etc. to receive surveys based on your interests. Each Survey Invite survey pays you 25 cents to $2 or more depending on the time it takes to respond. The payment of most polls is instantaneous, except those marked with a red flag. You will receive payment of red flag polls within 30 days. 2. Routers of the daily survey. Daily survey routers are surveys with an unlimited number of the times per day. Some, only once a day. The polls available should be checked several times at different times. By completing different offers. You can also complete different types of offers that are available from different types of sites, about 9 different types of offers. 3. Performing Ysense tasks. Another way in Ysense is to perform these tasks. When you click on Task, you will find a number of different tasks, a crowdsourcing service that allows you to work on small tasks to earn extra money. If you click on one of the tasks, you will be asked for an inscription on the site Figure 8, then you can do the tasks provided by this company. If you go to the bottom of the page, you will find the top task workers. 4. The affiliate program. There are 3 types of income from each of the people you refer to in Ysense. 1. Instantaneous income of 30 cents per reference. 2. $2 bonus if each of your referrals earns $5. 3. For every survey, offer and approved task, your referrals completed, you earn a commission of 30%. You will find your affiliate link in red in account details. To increase your income in Ysense. 1. Log in to Ysense twice a day. 2. Refer 1 person a day. 3. Download Clix add-on for your browser to be immediately notified when an inquiry, offer or task is available. You will earn a minimum of $500 per month if you work regularly with Ysense. So join Ysense today and start making money online. That's all for today. See you in another video.